Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do the local setup of the TypeScript and we'll get started with it. Okay, so you can go to this site, okay, typescriptlang.org, or just Google TypeScript and this will be the first result mostly. And you can try this in your browser if you want, but I'm going to show you how to install it locally so that you can do everything locally. Okay, so hit on this install locally. Now in order to install this locally, you have to have node package manager installed. That means you have to have node.js installed. So go ahead to node.js and go to this site nodejs.org, and yeah, you can download it from here. Let me just go back here. Yeah, this is the site nodejs.org. Alright, you can just go ahead, download this, double click, install it. It's pretty straightforward. In order to check whether it is installed or not, you can do node-v, which is the version, and currently I'm using node.js version, node server version 14.15.0, and the npm version I have is 6.14.8. okay, so once you have these commands with you, you can do this thing, npm install -g typescript, to basically install the TypeScript node package, and it's gonna take a while, but yeah, it will be faster. There we go. So now by doing this, we have the TypeScript installed on the machine, and what we can do is you can say npxtsc. Let's see. As you can see, it is showing me all the commands that are available along with the tsc TypeScript compiler. So I'm currently using TypeScript compiler version 4.0.5, which is there, and you can see all the options that we have along with the compiler. So this is the CLI options, command line interface options basically, that you can use. And yeah, that's just it. Apart from that, as a IDE, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, I hope this is the one you will be choosing. So in order to install that, you have to go to do a VS Code search on Google or Bing or whatever, and you can download this for Windows. Now with that being said, you can also download this for Linux or Mac or whatever the system you're on. Just go ahead, download it, install it, and we're ready to get started, and we'll jump to the actual the theory part or the programming part in the next lecture. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye bye.